Good morning, everyone.
Very good morning.
So, as we all know that topic has been announced, so everyone is collecting their ideas. So, I would like to initiate the group discussion. May I?
Yes, of course.
So, according to me, our topic is Western culture versus Indian culture. So, what is culture? According to me, culture is the set of values, belief, and customs of any region. So, in India, there are so many. India is the unity in diversity. Here, so many religions and customs are exist.
I, I agree with your point, but in my opinion, the most significant advantage of the Western culture is that it promotes equality to the people. There is no discrimination in the Western culture.
Start.
I want to add a new point. Western person never judge to anyone by their caste, sex, and resources. They believe in equality.
Friend, I would like to introduce about the caste system in India. We can see in ancient era we have seen many times that the minority majority rules over minority. That's why the reservation system is implemented over India because of the because of the growth because of the growth of Indian people. Reservation system implemented on India. That's why it is a good system. It is not a broad system that it is harmful for Indian citizens. It is good for Indian citizens because of the growth. That's why Indian culture is improving the growth over India, and it is improving the equality in all over the India.
I agree with that point, but in my opinion, reservation is the wrong point in culture because of we know that if we give someone reservation and he is the point of someone's decrease the rights. Like we know that if we tell about the general category, they are point that when a person is biased about to a minority quality like SC to percentage is equal, but they also select the SC not in the general.
I want to introduce a new point. Western culture are starting physical fitness like sports, gym, and outdoor activity.
In India, there is no requirement of gym and outdoor activities, but Indians always played those kinds of sports which help in maintaining their mental and physical health, like yoga and meditation are one of them.
If we talk about the Western culture, it also gives us democracy. In democracy, we can choose our government and we can live a happy life.
In India, also democracy was the one of the most important part of our rulers. As you have seen in Mahabharata and in the Ramayana, democracy was exist.
No, sir, there is no democracy earlier in the India. There is only monarchy rule in the India. After some times, the democracy came from the other countries, not from India.
But if you will read the history of India, you will see some examples of some rulers or the regions where democracy exists.
My dear friend, if you're talking about the education system, then I would like to say that in our ancient in our ancient era, uh, the Guru Shishya Parampara was exist, and because of that thing, a child, a particular student was growing for both of side curricular and co-curricular activities with his educational qualification. So that is the main thing. I would like to say that the whole growth of the children exists on that time also, so that Indian culture is more far better than any kind of Western culture or any kind of national culture.
I agree with that point, but we know we thought about the Western culture. They also give the Western lifestyle, and they also give the life changing lifestyle. They connect the world about the matter of we can say the language, the history of all the world, not only the India. They also many more type of the language knowledge about to we know about Western culture.
My dear friend, as you know that the Western countries has always dominated the world. They colonized the different countries that they looted For example, they looted India, Africa. So what do you think about it?
You are saying that they rotate the India. If they don't come to India, then we are always live in a, what we can say, that slavery and all, because we get all these things from the Western.
Okay, as you said that slavery system was also started by or initiated by the Britishers.
You
They
are
were
right. It
Western.
is started by the British, but it also give benefit to the some examples like constitution and all. They also give us constitution laws and all. We didn't have earlier.
I'm agree with you that constitution was initiated by them, but most of the things they used Indians for their own purpose. They looted our natural resources. They used Indian people for their own reasons. For example, they uses Indian people for the World War. Right? What do you see about it?
I introduce new point Western culture provide greater job opportunity.
I'm not agree with your point. In India, there are so many jobs, and Indians are also provide their citizens jobs and all.